Hello dear student, today start from the new topic. Your new topic name is coloring the grid. Okay, now listen here, this is our grid is already given to you. Now let's start from these questions. In the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. The width of the rectangle is two boxes. First of all, the listen here. The above grid is 20 boxes is already drawn. The width of this rectangle is the two boxes. Okay, it means that here will be a one rectangle is the two boxes. Okay. Now we start from the first one question. This is the first one question is what we have to find out what is its length. Okay. So first of all, how can we find out what is its length? First of all, the width of the rectangle is two boxes. These are a given condition, and the rectangle is made of 20 boxes. These are also given condition. By using the given condition, what is it the length? The length is 10 boxes. Why 10 boxes? Because the 20 is exactly half part of what 10 boxes. Why? Because the width of the this rectangle is two boxes. Okay, by using the given condition. Next, color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in other way. Okay, here will be color the rectangle made of 20 boxes in other way. You can be also by using show by using the grid. Understood? Next question, what is the length and width of the rectangle you are color? Okay, it means that here will be 20 box. By using the 20 boxes is not drawn. Okay, what is the length and width of the rectangle you are color? Is there any different form of the boxes? Okay, it means that is a two example is are given to you. This is our 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4, your answer is what always 20, because the 20 boxes are drawn. Here will be 5 multiplied by 4. So how can we draw it? It means that by using the 5 rows and the 4 columns is the one of the way. This is our 5 rows, 4 columns. Here will be 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to what? 20 is the one way. Now another way, here will be 20 multiplied by 1. It means that here will be 20 rows and 1 column. Is the another way. Why 20 multiplied by 1? Your answer is what? 20. This is our both of the way. You can be also coloring the grid. Next, in how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? Color then will be the grid and write the length and the width of the each rectangle you have color. Okay, another way you can be also write in the 10 multiplied by 2. Why 10 multiplied by 2? Because in the by using the 10 rows and 2 column is there also example of what this is your 20 boxes. You can be also write it, draw it. Okay, and the next question is for your homework. For the another way you can be also draw it. Okay, now let's start from the next question. Bengals, next topic. There are 18 Bengals on the road. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in the group of 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 without any Bengal being left. How many groups will be she if she makes the group of one Bengal each? Okay, now complete the table for the different number of Bengals. For each number, see what the different group can be made. Okay, now listen here. One of the very important concept is what we have to find out the factor. Okay, very important concept. There are 18 Bengals on the road. Meena is trying to can be put in the group of 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Why 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18? Because this is the factor of 18. Why this is the factor of 18? Because listen here, 2 is directly divided by 18. 3 is also divided by 18 is the also factor of 18. Then is what 4. 4 is not a divisible of what 18. Okay, 5 is also not a divided by 18. then number is what, 6. 6 is directly divided by 18, here will be 3 times because the 6 table has the 18 will be come here. Okay, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, and the 9, and 9 is also one of the important example. 9 2 ja 18. This is our what, 2 3 6 9 and 18. This is our factor of the 18 number. Okay, now start from the table for your better understanding. Start from the table, your concept will be understood. Two columns. Okay, the first column is what, number of Bengals, and the next one column is what, different group we can make. Okay, now listen here, start from the 18. Now listen here, your 18 of the group is what, it means that you can be find a factor. Okay, factor, it means what, is are divisible. Okay, 18 is also divisible of what, 1. 2 is directly divided. 3 is also a factor of what, 18. Why 3? Because the 3 6 are 18. Then start from the 4. 4 is not a divisible directly. 5 is not. 6 6 3 ja 18. Okay, is a table of what, 6 18. 6 3 ja 18. 6 will become here. 7 7 is not possible because the 7 table has a no 18 come will be. Okay, 8 8 is not possible. 9, okay, here will be 9 table has the 18. How many? 9 2 ja 18. It means that you have come between 9, and next is directly 18. Okay, 18 1 ja 18. It means that here will be different group we can be made. For a first one example, this is our 18. Okay, your answer is what, here will be 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, now let's start from the next one example. This is your 24. Listen here, 1 is obviously will be come here. 1 is directly divided by 24. 1 is also come here, 1. Next start from the 2. 2 is directly divided by 24. Okay, here will be 12 times divided. Here will 2 will become here. Next start from the 3. 3 will be also come here because the 3 table has a 24 will become. Okay, it means that 3 will be also come. Next is what, 4. 4 is also come. Why 4 is also come? Because of 4 6 are, here will be 24. Okay, next start from the 5. 5 is not come here. Why 5? Because the 5 table has a 24 is not coming. Okay, because the 5 is a 25, not a 24. Okay, so 5 number is directly neglected, remove. Next start from the 6. 6 is also one of the examples because the 6 4 ja, okay, 24. 7 is not come here. Then start from the 8. Okay, here will be 8 3 ja 24. Okay, here will be 8 table has a 24 will be also come here. Next example is what, here will be 12. Okay, here will be 12 2 ja 24 and directly divided by 24. Okay, this is our numbers. It means what, here will be 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24 is a one of the number is our factor. Okay, actually this is our factor of the 24. Understood? Next start from the 5. Obviously 1 will become here. 1 is directly divided by 5. And next number is what, 2 is not divided by 5, 3 is not, 4 is not, is directly what, 5. It means that the factor of 5 is what, 1 and 5. Okay, only 2 is the factor. Next example, this is for a 9. 1 is also come here. Okay, we believe 2 table has a 9 is not come. 3 is obviously 3 3 is a 9, and directly we get what, 9. 9 is directly divided by 1. Okay, understood? It means the factor of 9 is what, here will be 1 3 and 9. Next example, this is your 7. 7 is directly divided by what, 1 is obviously come, and another number is what, 7. 7 is directly divided by 1 time only. Start from the 2. 2 is obviously divided by 1 and 2 is directly divided by 2, nothing else. Okay, it's the very important concept of what we have to, by using the example you can be find the factor of any example. This is our some example, only few example is are given. Any example you can be find the factor. How can we find the factor? Directly divided by those number is divided by this given number. These are factors. Okay. Next number is what? Here will be 10. 10 is divided by directly divided by 1, or 1 is obviously come here. Every 2 table has a 5, table has a 10 will become here directly. 2 5 is a 10. Here will be 3 and 4 table has a 10 will be not come here, and it means what? Here will be next number is what? 5 2 is a 10, and the next number is what? 10. Okay, it means that your factor of the 10 is what? 1 2 5 10. Next number is what? 1. 1 is directly divided by 1. Next 20 directly divided by 1. 2 is also divided. 4 is also divided. 5 is also divided. Factor 10 is also, and directly 20. Okay, so simple. It means the factor of 20 is what? Here will be 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. Okay, so simple example. And next one is what? 13. 13 is directly divided by what? Here will be 1 and 13. Okay, another number is not used here because 1 is directly divided and the 13 is also directly divided. Okay, and the last one is what? 21. Okay, 21 has 1 is also a number is divided by the 21, and the next one is what? Here will be 3 is also a number is directly divided by what? Here will be 21, and the 7 is one of the number is divided factor of the 21, and 21 is also a number is a factor of the 21. Okay, it means the factor of a 21 is what? 1 3 7 21. Okay, this is our all our concept is regarding to find out the factor. Okay, next question. Here will be fill the chart. Okay, complete the multiplication chart is given here. This is the chart is given to you. Here will be 1 to 12. Okay, this is the columns and rows is given to you 1 to 12. Okay, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 up to 12. It means that we have to write down the only simple table. Okay, and the sum numbers is are given to you. This is our same type number is are given to you, and we have to find out the missing number. How can we find the missing number? It means that simple we have to using the simple multiplication table. Okay, this is our very so simple multiplication table. Okay, so please all the student instructed, so please complete your multiplication table. Here will be table start from your 1 to 12. Okay, so please complete your work properly. Okay, and I hope everyone student get the understood the concept of the factor. Now we have to find out the factor of any number. Okay, so simple divisible by 2, not a 2, whatever. Okay, and the next topic we will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.